Hello, Peter here from sleepapneastop.com. In this video, we're going to cover sleep apnea and its relationship to snoring. Sleep apnea, a closer look. Of all the snoring-related physical ailments noted above, or in previous videos, arguably the most severe and ironically least understood is a condition called sleep apnea. These two words should be emblazoned in the minds of every snorer, and anyone who lives with or cares about the safety and well-being of a snorer. The word apnea in the term sleep apnea derives from the Greek term of absence of breathing. That, in a nutshell, gives a sense of how dangerous sleep apnea can be. It literally refers to a condition where breathing stops during sleep. In regards to the physical conditions and problems that snoring can bring about, sleep apnea is basically as serious as it can get. Sleep apnea and snoring are directly linked because during snoring, the airway of the trachea is constantly subjected to repetitive collapses and obstruction. In fact, it is the collapse and obstruction that leads to the vibration that ultimately manifests itself as audible snoring. Sleep apnea thus occurs when, due to that continuous collapse of the airway, breathing actually stops. While death is obviously possible due to this obstruction of the airway and subsequent lack of breathing, there are many very serious effects that, while not fatal, are most certainly severe. Even when it is not fatal, sleep apnea deprives the body of essential oxygen, and hence, overall blood oxygen levels are reduced, and concurrently, carbon dioxide levels rise. This can lead to a toxic buildup that can cause heart disease, stroke, and brain damage. For more information on snoring and sleep apnea, head over to our website by clicking the link below. Sign up for our newsletter and you will receive a free report on how to get a great night's sleep and a checklist to test whether or not you have sleep apnea and whether your snoring is more serious than it may actually be. So just click the link below or head over to sleepapneastop.com. Thanks.